Dive deep into dive deep. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, dive deep. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, origins, and how to use it in different contexts. Let's dive deep into it. Dive deep comes from the literal action of diving deeply into water. When someone dives into a swimming pool, lake, or ocean, they move from the surface to the deeper parts of that body of water. Imagine a diver exploring the ocean. The deeper they go, the more they discover. This idea of exploration and discovering hidden details is key to understanding the metaphorical use of this phrase. In many contexts, dive deep doesn't involve water at all. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression that means to explore something thoroughly or to get a deep understanding of a topic. For example, if someone says, "I want to dive deep into this topic," they mean they want to explore it in detail, not just skim the surface. Let's see how this phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Research and study. For my thesis, I had to dive deep into the history of the Renaissance. 2. Work and projects. Our team will dive deep into the data to identify the issue. 3. Personal development. She's attending a workshop to dive deep into mindfulness practices. As you can see, the phrase is versatile and can be used in different scenarios, always implying a thorough or deep exploration. There are a few variations and related phrases you might come across. Deep dive. Let's do a deep dive into this report. Delve into. I decided to delve into the world of photography. Dig deep. To solve this mystery, we need to dig deep. Each of these phrases carries a similar sense of thorough exploration or investigation. And there you have it. Now you understand the meaning, origins, and usage of the phrase, dive deep. Remember, language is all about context. And the more you practice and immerse yourself in it, the more you'll understand these nuances. We hope this video has been enlightening for you. Keep exploring, and as always, keep learning.